Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about how a smart safe machine works, step by step. First, the user starts by requesting access to the smart safe. This can be done using an authorized method such as a PIN code, password, RFID card, fingerprint, or mobile app. At this stage, the safe is still locked and waits for proper identification. Next, the smart safe verifies the user's identity. The system checks the entered PIN, scanned card, fingerprint, or app login details to confirm whether the person is allowed to use the safe. After that, the machine performs an authorization check. It verifies permissions, access rules, time settings, and user rights. For example, some users may only be allowed to open the safe during certain hours, while others may have full access. Then, if the user is approved, the unlock mechanism activates. The electronic lock releases, the bolts move back, and the safe door unlocks securely. If the user is not approved, the safe remains locked. Next, the user can store or retrieve valuables from inside the safe. These items may include cash, jewelry, keys, important documents, passports, cameras, or other valuable assets. Afterward, built-in sensors monitor activity inside and around the safe. Door sensors check whether the door is open or closed, weight sensors can detect item movement, tamper sensors watch for forced entry, and cameras or security systems can provide extra monitoring. Then, the smart safe records important data in a digital log. It saves details such as access time, user ID, action performed, and whether items were stored, removed, or the safe was unlocked. This creates a clear record of who accessed the safe and when. Finally, after use, the safe locks again automatically or manually. The machine can also send alerts, access reports, or security notifications to authorized users through a mobile app or cloud system. So, in simple words, a smart safe machine works by verifying the user, checking authorization, unlocking electronically, monitoring activity with sensors, recording access logs, and sending alerts when needed. It uses PIN codes, RFID cards, fingerprints, mobile apps, sensors, and cloud logs to improve security, track access, reduce theft, provide fast access, and support smart monitoring. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.